Constructed in the USA of all-welded steel, these durable units are ideal for assembly line workers, part transfer applications, and machine operators. Vestil's Unitilts are powered with a 2-horsepower, 60 Hz totally enclosed motor with various voltages available. Other features include a pressure-plated pump, pressure-compensated flow valve, lowering valve, independent oil return, and a 2-button handheld control to conveniently lift and lower the unit. When only the push button is utilized, the platform will raise and tilt back at the same time until it reaches a height of 19 inches from the floor to the bottom of the cradle and a tilt angle of 35 degrees. Operators may also utilize the unit's sequence selector pedal, causing the platform to first tilt to an angle of 40 degrees to the floor and then lift vertically until the bottom of the cradle reaches a height of 16.5 inches above the floor. Simply choose the sequence that fits your application best. Standard safety features on the Unitilts include a pinch point guard, an integrated maintenance lock, a velocity fuse in the unit's cylinder that prevents the platform from collapsing in the event of a hose failure, and an adjustable upward travel limit switch to ensure that the unit does not tilt beyond its standard range. The Unitilt's unique design reduces fatigue by minimizing the repetitive bending and stretching required to obtain components from their containers. Utilize these units in your workplace to minimize stress and prevent needless injuries. Brought to you by Vestil Manufacturing, these units are an ergonomic solution at work for you.